Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Spring Street Park. Spring Street Park. Now, this one's going to be a little doozy, guys. So before we start the journey, it's a small park, by the way. It's not big, but it should take us about 15 minutes tops. Before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. This is the 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, either extended or the little 6th Avenue and Spring Street. Now that I show you, let me show you where I am. Let me show you. Let me show you where we are. That's Spring Street back there, going west. That's Spring Street going west. And this is Spring going east. And again, this is a Spring Street Park here. And this side is the, this one is the 6th Avenue extended, or the little 6th Avenue. And now, we're gonna start the journey in a few, guys. Again, I already did this one. This is the 6th Avenue extended, or the little 6th Avenue. And we start the journey now. And this is the park. See, it's not that big. It's right here. It's almost like a triangle. It's only 2 blocks long. And we begin the journey now. So I'm gonna give it to you at an angle, just so you can see what we have here. Again, it's not that big. So basically what I'll do is I'm gonna go here straight down, then go around it, then go through the middle and go straight down to the very peak back there. Again, this park is almost like a swirl type. I'll be going like this. I'll be going like this and then back again inside. So as soon as I go inward, guys, I'll show you the statue up there of this guy. He's from Uruguay. I want to show you everything that I can. And we should be coming from down there, guys, from the middle, back there. Coming up at 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, Dominic Street, heading southbound. And again, guys, I already did the 6th Avenue here, the extended one, or the little 6th Avenue.
We don't care. This is what. This.
And now we're coming to the point. Right here, coming up at 6th Avenue, Broome Street, and then we're gonna do a 180 right now, back up north again. So you see, again, 6th Avenue extended or little 6th Avenue. That's Broome Street. That's the actual 6th Avenue, and back there in the back you have Sullivan Street. It diverts all the way to the north, northeast. Now. And then again, this is the regular, this one here is the regular 6th Avenue, guys. Now we go up this side, and I'm gonna show you the rest of the park. Spring Street Park. Spring Street Park. And like I said, it's not that long. It's only 2 blocks long. It's almost like a triangle. So let me put it like this so you can see, guys. Trying to keep it angle here like this. See, we came all the way down there through the far left, and then when I come through here right now, a couple of minutes. Again, this is Spring Street Park. And guys, we're gonna be doing a 180 right now, right here. See, 180 right here. And now we're gonna go through the center of the park and work our way to the southern tip back there. And this is the center of the park right here. This is the center of the park. Now we're gonna get to the southern tip right now. Simón. See, so we just came through there, but now we're gonna go through here, through the middle. Again, this is like a swirl type of recording that I'm doing. Not all parks are the same. And now we're gonna go see who this guy is. He's from Uruguay, but I don't know much about, So basically, this guy's name is General Jose Artigas de Uruguay. National Hero of Uruguay, Protector de los Pueblos Libres. Let me give you a full view. General Jose Artigas, Uruguayo. There you go. And now we'll go back on track. And that is the only statue around here, guys.
Do you have my lens? Right there.
And again, guys, there's certain places where we're gonna be going twice. Like right now, I'm doing this again, but that's it. We're gonna finish the video at the southern tip of the park here, and we're done. But this is Spring Street Park. And again, guys, so this park is sandwiched between the regular 6th Avenue and then the extended 6th Avenue. So they're not the same. They have the same name, but they're separately. And now, guys, thanks for walking me on this journey. And as always, I will see you some more time. Bye.